Welcome back to part 4. Make sure you have removed your newly partitioned card from your Amiga and is inserted into your PC. Start WinUAE and load the settings file we saved last time, and then go to the CD and hard drive section. Select the hard file entry and click on Properties and change the device name to HD0 and then click on OK. If your compact flash card is listed, remove it and then re-add it by clicking on Add Hard Drive. If your card is not listed, then simply add it as usual. Then click Start. Load Directory Opus and list DH0 in one lister and HD0 in the other. And then highlight all of the classic Workbench files and copy them across to DH0. When the file copying is complete, we need to edit the startup sequence to include the SCSI device lines we added in install disk earlier. Enter the S directory on DH0 and highlight the startup sequence file and click on Edit. Add the lines to the top of the file as seen and add a semicolon to the line which does not apply to the machine you are going to put a card into. Then save the changes. Now it's time to copy and rename the Kickstart ROM files to get WHD load working. List DH0 devs kickstarts in one lister and PC kickstarts in the other one. Select all of the Kickstart ROM files, then click on Copy As and rename each file in turn as seen on screen. Now we will update WHD load to the latest version. Go to whdload.de and then save the latest version in your Amiga files directory. And then go to whdownload.com and save a game to test with. Back in Directory Opus, double click the WHD load archive and go into the C directory. Select all of the files and copy them into the C directory on DH0. Then go back and copy the files from S into the S directory on DH0 as well. Now extract the game you downloaded into DH2 and you are ready to put the card back into your Amiga for testing. Turn on your Amiga and it should boot to Workbench. Open the games partition and load the game you downloaded to test everything is working. This is the end of this series of videos, but I do intend to make some more to expand on things. These will be standalone videos which can apply to any Workbench installation. Thanks for watching.